Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Honor Magic 5 Lite. So this is a mid-range Android phone, probably one of the best on the market right now for 2023. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the default storage space. So this phone is advertised as having 128GB of internal storage space. However, we're going to check to see how much storage space we get fresh out of a box. So I've just unboxed it, inserted my SIM card. I've not connected to the Wi-Fi, so I have not downloaded anything. As you can see, I've not even signed into the Google Play Store. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the default storage space, fresh out of the box. So let's go to storage. Okay, so as you can see, 128GB model, and it's currently using fresh out of a box 17.26GB. So the images is not using up anything. Same with the videos, 0 bytes. Audio is using up 20.74 megabytes. Documents isn't using up anything. Also, archives isn't using anything. Same with the installation packages, 0 bytes. And the apps is using up 1.8 gigabytes. Okay, so let me just calculate this. So if the storage is using up 17.26 gigabytes out of 128 gigabytes, that's roughly about 110.81 gigabytes of free storage space left on the phone, fresh out of the box. Yeah, that's roughly about right. 110.81 gigabytes of free storage fresh out of the box, guys. So that's before you download anything on the phone. This is what you're going to get fresh out of the box. 110.81 gigabytes of free storage space. Okay, so let me just go to cleanup and storage sufficient. So these are the apps that are using up the, where is it? The 1.8 gigabytes. Yep. Anyway, guys, that's it. Fresh out of a box. That's what you're going to get one last time. 110.81 gigabytes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.